For importing new data into ACT, we find our file that we want to import. For example, I want to import M4. Okay, I have the Excel file. Then I will save it as, it should be CSV, and CSV comma delimited. Okay, so it's separated according to comma, and then save, and then yes. Okay, and close that one. We don't need to save it anymore. Okay, so we have the CSV file. We should have the CSV file here. Right type. Here is our CSV file. Now we open the ACT. I need Toronto because it was the new database. I want to add it, so I use my own username and password. The first thing that you should do okay, can you see it right now? Okay, for importing anything into ACT, the first step is checking the duplication. So we go to Tools, and then we go to Preferences, and the last tab, which is Admin, then Duplicate Checking. It should be always check the duplicates according to the contact and the code. If these two are the same, it just replace the new one and doesn't make the duplication. Okay, so we check this one as the first step. Then go to File, Import, then Next. This part should be comma, text separated by comma. Here we should browse the file that we have. So it was in separation of cities, Toronto, via postal code, M4 CSV. Open, then click Next. This should be contact record, then click Next. Always we use custom import, click Next. You don't need to check this one. Next. You have here the list. It means that it has these columns. It want to check it here. Here, address, we want to save it as address line 1. City is city. Code is code. Color group is color group F. Company, company, contact, contact, dark color, email, email status is email status, Facebook is Facebook, fax is fax, graphic number, industry, Instagram, light color, logo URL is logo URL, mascot is short name line 2, phone is phone, postal code, postal XX, as according to the it's the extra one. We should check it before send it, but we can just use it as something, for example, like result, province, short name, Twitter, viability is viability, website is website, and then click Next. Here is the most important part. You can check contact and said that contact record, we should merge them, replace with source contact, which we replace with source contact, and contact record. We said that if source record do not match destination record, most of the time that we are importing, we do not add anything to our database. Okay? We just replace them. So click OK, and then next, and then finish. Then it starts preparing to import, and it will import the new contacts into our databases. So we should wait a bit till it finished. Then it's a kind of updating any sort of data mining that we have right now, for example, into ACT. Any information that you guys are gathering, we just prepare the CSV file first and then import it back to our ACT databases according to what it is. If it's businesses, we import it back to Bees or Scott. If it's schools, we import it to Top Uniforms. Or if it's a sports club or something like that, we convert it and import it to a sport club database that we have. This is the procedure of importing, which almost takes a long time to do that because it's a huge database. It's a bit huge. It's not really big, but it takes a bit long time to fill everything, and then it's done. Whenever it's done, for being sure that it's correct or not, I cannot work with X right now because it's importing and it will conflict with that. But whenever it's done, you can check the status, the column last edited, and sort it according to the date. It will show you today, and then you can select the last edited by. It will show you the name of the person that logged in and imported those information into ACT. Is everything clear?